Hi guys, my name is Briana Venskus. I am an actress and you are here with the Desire Company. So let's say you wanna up your sound game, right? You like the sound that your iPhone makes, but you're looking for a little bit more. I got you. So we talked about the Rode Directional mic right here. Weird thing is though, is that modern day phones don't have this little thing anymore. What is this ancient piece of equipment? What you're gonna do is you are gonna find yourself a handy little adapter. They sell these at Apple stores. They sell them also online if you wanna get a third-party one. I recommend going with the original Apple one. Trust me, it's their product. They know how to make it. You're gonna plug in this right here to that, and then you're gonna have this little lightning cable right here on the side. Plug that in directly to your phone. That will automatically become your microphone. Now, the key for these microphones, especially if you're using it with filming, so say I have this phone on a tripod right here. This is right next to it. You're gonna wanna, of course, make sure it's on first, but then also, because it is directional, it's in the name, you're gonna wanna point it the direction that you want the sound. So if you're over here and you're pointing this over here, that's not gonna work. Directional, right at you. It'll just give you a bit of a higher quality sound. It'll also take away some of the ambient sound in the background, the cars driving by, the dog barking. You're just gonna get a little bit less of it. And it'll all in all just kind of elevate your sound game. It's not going to revolutionize it, but if you are looking for that little bit of a crisper sound, this will absolutely get it for you.